In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to demo trade on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to sharpen your skills in a risk-free environment, TradingView offers a brilliant platform for demo trading. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this feature. To begin with, you'll need to log into your TradingView account. Once you're in, you'll notice the trading panel located at the bottom of the chart screen. This is your gateway to both the built-in simulated account and any demo accounts you might have with a connected broker. Today, I'll walk you through using both options to ensure you're comfortable navigating each. For those opting to use TradingView's built-in paper trading account, start by opening a chart. With a chart open, locate the trading panel again and click on the paper trading option. This feature is fantastic because it activates a simulated account preloaded with a default balance, often around $100,000. This allows you to place orders just as you would in a live trading environment, except without the risk of financial loss. You can practice strategies, the placement of trades, and manage positions all within this simulated setup. If you're interested in exploring a broker's demo account, you'll first want to create one on your broker's website. It's essential to check that your broker supports TradingView integration since you'll need it to connect your account. Once you have your demo account set up, head back to the trading panel on TradingView. Here, select your broker's logo or click See All Brokers to find and connect with them by logging in using the demo credentials provided by your broker. This feature is advantageous as it mirrors the broker's environment, giving you a more tailored trading experience based on your future live trading conditions. Now let's talk about placing a trade in either demo account setup. When you're ready to make a trade, simply right-click on the chart and select Create New Order, or you can use the Buy Sell panel button, usually located on the right side of your screen. TradingView gives you the flexibility to place different types of orders. Choose between a market order, a limit order, or a stop order depending on your strategy and preferences. Furthermore, to manage your risk and potential profit, you can set take profit and stop loss levels. Simply drag the corresponding lines on the chart to your desired levels. Finally, once you've confirmed your order, it will appear on the left-hand window. All your filled orders and current positions can be easily monitored at the bottom of your screen, ensuring you have a comprehensive view of your trading activities. And there you have it, a complete guide to demo trading on TradingView. With practice, you'll be able to refine your trading skills and strategies, preparing you for the real-world trading environment. Happy trading!